Hello, I'm back again talking to you about pizza stones. Our pizza stones are made in the USA. I got rounds. They're very, very thick. I've got rectangles. These measure 14 by 16. Again, very, very thick. That's what you're looking for. Made in the USA. It's a good to approximately 2400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I got some 6 by 6s. You can piece them next to each other, build them in rows, line grills, build ovens, all kinds of things. So this one was cut on our wet saw, and I wanted to show you a couple things about this today. But we're going to move over to our latest project, which is a wood-fired oven. And there's going to be a lot of videos to come using the wood-fired oven. I just want to give you a glimpse of it today. Okay, this is our current build of a wood-fired pizza oven. We built a few of these, and I'm going to show you how this was done over the next few videos. And also, I'm going to give you a peek, get a little bit more details about this wood-fired oven. This particular oven right here was built out of pizza stones. Sliced up pizza stones. There's over 60 stones in this oven, plus tons of vermiculite, concrete, rebar, bricks, glass bottles, you name it. As you can see, the oven's not done, but some of the interesting features are that it's primarily made from recycled materials. Recycled in the sense that they were to be thrown away and then they were reused. Keeps the costs way down. It's good for the environment. This is truly a green, eco-friendly product and extremely usable. So all the bricks were given to us from a builder, left over from building houses. All the pizza stones were cracked, chipped, blemished color, whatever, and they were all cut up on the wet saw. All the cinder blocks were irregular, not perfectly square, or the length was different. Tons of insulative materials were free from local builders. All the crushed stone was free. Glass bottles, of course, free. Rebar left over from building projects. Several general contractors had given us leftover rebar. So this thing's cool, and it works. You search the internet, you'll find all kinds of plans and ideas. This particular one, the inside chamber is approximately 30 by 30. The opening's approximately 13 by 13. Air flows perfectly. I'm going to show you a couple more features that are pretty cool on this oven. One of them is the door. The door was made of recycled oak, and the handle, pretty cool, is a piece of an old fence. Wrought iron, cool twist to it, and there's some recycled plywood, some green board, a couple of hinges. The door works perfectly on this oven. When you put it back in place, it retains the heat, and the oven quickly gets up to 900 Fahrenheit. Just a small amount of logs, some twigs and sticks, newspaper, no starter fluid, no gasoline, nothing required, just a flame, and the flow is incredible. So this is a green product. I'll show you just a little bit more, and then we're going to come back. We're going to do lots of different videos cooking with this oven. The outside, by the way, is not done. It's going to be stuccoed and painted. It's going to end up being approximately the color of the pizza stones. This oven was built right next to a deck. It's very convenient to slide the pizza or the food right in. It's only a few steps away to get into the kitchen. And I want to show you a few of the cool things. The color of the pizza stone, by the way, is right there, and that's what the stucco will be. These were recycled stones, cut and built up on the oven. You can pick them up on the site. Some of the tools we use for getting pizza in and out or other foods is a stainless steel paddle. Those are on the site. We've got a small scoop for hot ashes. Bellow is just incredible. Get the fire going. We got a pizza peel right here, and we also have a long handle pizza brush. The brush is pretty cool, and it does a couple things. First of all, you brush the oven out, and then you flip it over, and the other side has a scraper blade. Sharp scraper, great for moving the ashes and coals into the corner. So, one more cool feature is underneath this is where the wood is stored. That's nice dry wood ready to go. And of course we've got huge piles of firewood to fuel the fire as needed. The other cool thing about a wood-fired oven is the fact that you are utilizing hardwood that you can pick up for free. You can buy your wood. I've bought plenty of wood, and you can get a ton of wood for free. This is all pizza stones. It's going to be grouted with a colored grout. We save some of the grindings from the cutting of the stones, so we have a perfect colored grout to fill this in. And I'm going to show you the inside here as well. Not a lot to see, but I'm going to have to change the camera angle here for you. Okay, looking inside this oven, this is one pizza stone right here, 14 by 16. These are approximately 3 or 4 inch thick slices. There's a stone up here that hides the flue, which I'll get into the flue later. There's a ton of ways to do it. But anyway, this is a hidden flue. The flue's actually up inside here. And looking inside, you can't see a lot because it's a little bit dark and dirty in there. But anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 14 by 16 stones. By the way, they're sandwiched, so there are 2 of them making approximately a 3-inch thick layer for the oven floor. And then there's tons of pizza stones inside on the walls and tons of vermiculite, lots of concrete, other insulation. Very cool. I'll be back with many more videos showing you this wood-fired oven in action. Please support your sponsor for all of your pizza supplies, oven building supplies, general cookware, and everything for your kitchen. Our pizza stones are made in the USA. I got rounds. They're very, very thick. I've got rectangles. These measure 14 by 16. Again, very, very thick. That's what you're looking for. Made in the USA. So good to approximately 2400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I got some 6 by 6s. You can piece them next to each other, build them in rows, line grills, build ovens, all kinds of things. So this one was cut on our wet saw, and I wanted to show you a couple things about this today. But we're going to move over to our latest project, which is a wood-fired oven. And there's going to be a lot of videos to come using the wood-fired oven. I just want to give you a glimpse of it today.